कुछ इस तरह से मैंने अपनी जिंदगी को आसान कर लिया। किसी से माफी मांग ली और किसी को माफ कर दिया। दोस्तों, जब गलती हमसे होती हो ना तो माफी मांग लेनी चाहिए, और जब गलती किसी और से होती हो तो उसे माफ करने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए।
Academic education is a part of your life. Don't make a part of your life as life itself. There is more to life than academics. There is more to life than a girlfriend. There is more to life than money. There is more to life than a fancy car. There is more to life than achievements. There is something called as contribution. The art of giving, there's something incredible which somehow nothing in the world can buy. Satisfaction.
Ladies and gentlemen, we can never have a perfect life. We definitely can have a happy life. No one's life is going to be perfect, but we can choose to make our lives happier than what it is now. Do not allow anyone to remote control you. Control your television's remote control. No problem. Your cars can be remote controlled. Don't allow anyone to control your emotions from there. हम लोग अपेक्षाएं करते हैं कि एक प्रकार का व्यवहार हमारे साथ होगा, ऐसे नहीं होता ना, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं हम। भूल करना प्रकृति है, मान लेना संस्कृति है, और सुधार लेना प्रगति है। Progressive life is to accept that I made a mistake and to try and not repeat it again and improve in the area that we made a mistake.
When you say you're sorry, it doesn't mean that you are wrong. It just means that you value the person and the relationship more than being right. You have to choose. What do you want? Being right or love? And if you want love, sometimes you have to say sorry, even if you are.
People will forget what you said. People will even forget what you did. People will never forget how you made them feel. The words are forgotten, the actions are forgotten, but the experience remains.
If you speak too much, they'll say you're cheap. If you don't speak as much, they'll say you have an attitude. If you speak just as much as is required, they'll say you're mean, matlabi. Whatever you do, they'll always say something. Don't allow what they'll say to define your life. Whether it's a house, a machine, or even a relationship, maintenance is always cheaper than repairing.